What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's Simon from Subculture. Today, we're gonna be unboxing 2 boxes I got from the mail today with illegal money. Let's see what this fucking shit is! Let's fucking see it! Alright, you pieces of shit. Here's the 2 fucking boxes. Let's fucking open them up. Let's see what's inside. Alright, this one, I lifted off from a very, very slow FedEx truck. Let's see what's inside. Let's fucking... God, this fucking shit. Fucking pack this. Fucking. Oh shit, wait. Alright, here we go. Got this bitch open. Bitch! Alright. Speakers! That's what they're called. They're fucking cool. Bitch. Yeah, what the fuck did you expect? Alright. Shut the fuck up. Alright, yeah, they're speakers. Alright. Here's the next package. I already kind of opened it. Yeah, it's pretty sick nasty. Alright, so this is it. I got everything loaded, as you can see here. I found my fucking report card. Oh, I'm out. Alright, guys. That's the end of the video, guys. Make sure to like the video, guys. Be sure to like the video and subscribe, guys. This took a lot of work, guys. I'm putting so much fucking so much fucking effort for you guys. Guys, you don't fucking know how much shit I fucking put up through to bring you this free content, guys. So be sure to leave a like on the video, guys. Okay, guys, suck my dick.